Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is a collaboration with InLoveArts shop, and the next dies that I have to share with you are these rolled flower dies, and they come in a set of 4. And we are going to make some double layered rolled flowers. Now, I checked on YouTube to see if anyone has made this. There's no one that said double layered rolled flowers, so hopefully I don't step on anybody's toes, but if someone has made this, please let me know. I will put them in the description. I have no problem with that. So let's go ahead and make these. And these are the flowers, you guys. I love them. I love them. I definitely was inspired with the gold by Creating for Fun Lori. She makes her flowers with gold in them. And of course, gold is one of my faves. And so I had to create this with some gold, but I didn't want them all to be gold. I wanted some color in there. And so I went ahead and did the double layers. So my absolute favorite one is this one and this one. These two are my absolute favorite, which is this one would be this flower, and then this one would be this flower right here. So pretty. I love how they turned out. So I've been experimenting with flowers. I'm trying to make a flower work for me, and so I think I found it. This is it right here. I am going to definitely make this my signature flowers. And so let's start with some gold cardstock and some of this garden party paper, which I picked up from scrapbook.com. It's made by American Crafts and I believe crepe paper, but the collection usually goes with crepe paper or American Crafts, so I will have to double check on that, but definitely will be linking it below. And also I will be linking the 20% discount that I have with InLoveArts shop, and in case you guys want to recreate your own flowers, but get your rolled flower die out. And let's go ahead and start making these. So at first with this one, this is the only one that you will be doing this with, and and also this one right here. So this one and this one right here, what you want to do to begin is you want to just fold these few petals, the first 5, in half. So just a little curve like so. You see that? Very small curve. I usually do it with my thumb. I just curve it, and that's what starts off the roll. Otherwise it'll start looking a little boxy, and you want kind of a circle roll. So you'll do that with the pattern paper as well as with the gold. So I'm doing the same thing. I just use my thumb. If you have acrylics on, you might want to use something else. I would say your scissors. Just go ahead and use your scissors. That would work. So there, I went ahead and just, if you can see right there, I just folded it in half a little bit, just a little curve. And so now let's go ahead and roll these flowers. What you want to do is put your pattern paper on top of your glitter. And what you want to do is start it off center. So like that. Do you see how the purple is furthest from the gold? So that's what you want to do right there, and that's how you would start your roll. And I actually did this wrong. I think I folded it wrong. Let's see here. Yep, I sure did. I folded it. You have to fold it in towards the color, not out. So I did do it out. So let me go ahead and fix that real quick. So easy to fix. Oh, I did it with I didn't do it with the gold, so we are ready to go with this one. So start off center with the pattern paper on top, and then just start to roll. I'm going to go ahead and videotape the whole thing. That way you could stick with me and see how I do this. Make sure my hot glue gun is on. So just keep on rolling. And if you have silicone mat, that would be great. So be careful because sometimes the gold pattern paper wants to jump in front. It wants to take over and be the star of the show. So be careful with that. Keep the purple or the pattern paper that you're using over the gold. So it's looking very dull right now, and the transformation will happen after we glue it. Just about done here. They tend to get tangled, so be careful with that. And flip it over and just perfect it. Make sure everything's in its spot. All the layers are in their spots. And they're not going to be even because we started with one furthest from the other. So just try to keep them all together. So the gold's on this side, the purple's on this side. Let me get a silicone mat. To be precise, my silicone die cut, so it's the same color as the mat, but here it is. I use this because it's so much easier than grabbing my huge hot glue mat. So take your glue, hot glue, I love hot glue, just pour it on top. And then, oh, I do use with the tip, make sure it's there. With the tip, I just lay it down, pour some more hot glue there, and then lay the purple one down, and just be sure that they don't come out because then it'll look funky once you turn it over. So there it is, and this is what you need the silicone mat for, is to lay your flower down, and that way you don't get hot glue everywhere. What I'm using for centers are these Dollar Tree gold foam balls, and they're very small, and that's what I'm using. You can also find them at Target and Walmart sometimes. So once this, I already got glue on my hands. Glue loves to stick to my fingers. And so once it's all laid, this is what it's gonna look like. This is the back, very plain. We could add a backing to that, but for now, let's go ahead and form our flower. So what you wanna do now is just flatten it out. So you just do that with your fingers, flatten them all out as however you'd like it. Your preference is the best. So I like it like this. So that's what it looks like. Now let's go ahead and add some hot glue, and then we're going to add one of these foam balls. And I'm going to grab the biggest one I can find, and it looks like this one right here, and then add it to the middle. So there it is, you guys. That is how you make the double layered rolled flowers, and I just love them, you guys. They're so pretty. This is the only one that you're not gonna need to start the layering in different spots. You want to roll them perfectly even. So this is one without gold, so you could kind of see what it looks like. Here is one with gold. Here's another one with gold. I added a leaf. Here's another with gold. So, but I love these, you guys. They're so cute. They're small, they're glittery and sparkly, and all the beautiful colors that you want them to be. And I just love it with the gold, and you can also do it with white. Christmas comes, so once Christmas comes, get your snowflake flowers out, or snowflake dies, and start adding that. So that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video like I did, and I will be making more of these to gift out to my swapping partners and challenge entries. Love it, love it. I'm in love. I'm in love with these. I love these so much, you guys. So I'm not just saying that. I will be definitely using these and my other ones too. So you will be seeing more of these in swaps. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.